Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. Today we're going to do an analysis for pound yen starting from the daily and moving back down to the 4-hour time frame. So with that being said, let's dive into the daily time frame. So as you can see here, first and foremost, we made a few days back a new high in this area here. The second important thing is that this high has a lot of divergence with the previous top. So this indicates that a correction is close. So we have to take into consideration this move, and also the trend is pretty strong on the weekly and on the daily towards the upside. As you can see here, we had a lot of bullish momentum, followed by small consolidations, then a pullback, and then the uptrend resumed. And what I'm expecting next on the daily for pound yen is a consolidation or a pullback inside this area here that will eventually push the price back up in the near future. So I'm expecting here in this area either a consolidation, either a drop, a sharper drop, which will act as a pullback, similar to the ones that we have sitting here, or maybe if the price will decide to be a bit more aggressive, something similar to this one that we had here, which will be like a bigger one, and it will be more sharp towards the downside. So the way things are looking right now, like I was saying, the price is having a lot of divergence on the daily, which means that the trend might slow down here and start to push back down, creating new lower lows. We don't have as yet a local downtrend here because, as you can see, we have higher highs forming around the way. So what I'm expecting here is a move down that will break this level. And if that happens and we get a consolidation or a pullback, then the downtrend might finally start and create that correction that we were talking about. Another important aspect to watch is this price channel that we have here. As you can see, the price is respecting the upper trend line. Curious to see right now if the price will make a small consolidation in the grand scheme of things and then push back up. So maybe we might hit this daily trend line and then reverse towards the upside. But for that to happen, we have to wait a bit more and check out if the price reaches this level, if it will give us a reaction towards the upside and it will reject this trend line, or if the price will head back down and make a deeper pullback and a sharp wave down that will also act as a correction and will push the price back down to the daily price channel lower line. So first and foremost, like I was saying, we have to wait for this breakout here on the daily to break this area and then wait for a pullback before going back down. Before we move back down to the 4-hour time frame and see how things are looking, I would like to let you know that we just put together our first trading ebook, and it's available for you guys. If you enter our website and subscribe to our newsletter, you'll get all the indications needed afterwards. You'll receive it via email, and you'll get our free trading ebook that will benefit you. It's an ebook that we put together for beginners, but it's also good for advanced traders to read it because practice makes perfect. And we have loads of content inside this PDF, basic broker stuff. We also dive into the basic aspects of the Forex market, a lot of patterns that we covered, and a lot of technical analysis that we basically use here at Financial Flagship. And I think it will give you a better idea on the tools that we use when analyzing the charts. So head over to our website. And last but not least, we also have a psychological section, which in our opinion is the most important one for us traders. Even if we have all the knowledge in the world, if we don't have the psychology to trade, it will easily neglect the fact that we are very good on the technical part of the game. So head over to our website, subscribe to our newsletter, and you'll get it for free. And I hope you guys will enjoy it. And also let us know in the comment section below your thoughts about it. We will plan to develop further versions in the future for this ebook, in which we want to also capture the whole picture in the stock market, also in the cryptocurrency space. So don't waste any more time. Jump onto our website, subscribe to our newsletter, and you'll get our PDF for free. You can find the link in the video description below. So you can easily access it from there. So now with that being said, let's move on to the 4-hour time frame and see how things are looking for pound yen. And like I was saying, on the daily, we have to wait for this level to be taken out first to give us a clear indication about what will happen next. And if this level will be taken out, and I presume it will because we have equal lows here sitting underneath the price as we speak. So I'm guessing that the price will eventually drop. And when that happens, I'm expecting here a pullback, maybe not this sharp. You have to watch because it can happen to be that sharp, but in my opinion, I think it will be something like a sideways move and a messy move, and then we'll be waiting for a reaction reaction, and then if we get this here, we're gonna go with the sell. Keep in mind that this has a lot of potential to go down because, like I was saying, on the daily and the weekly, the trend is strong towards the upside, so a correction will come soon, either from these levels that we talked about. Even if the price will decide to go back up, that doesn't matter. Like I was saying, we have to wait for this area here to be taken out if we want to look for sell setups, and if that happens and we get a correction, then most likely the price has a lot of potential to go down as a pullback before resuming the uptrend on the daily. We also have this trend line here on the 4-hour, like I was saying, the equal lows, and also a liquidity level that I think that it will be reached here, sitting around the 183 levels. So if this trend line gets broken and the equal low area as well, then most likely the price will correct. And if that happens, wait for a consolidation, wait for a reaction, and if you get a reaction with a sell setup, don't hesitate to go for the sell because it has a lot of room to go down. But like I was saying, be careful in regards to the price action because it's very important to see this zone taken out, like I was saying, and then wait for a correction. And when the correction will unfold, don't jump in guessing your sell setup. Wait for your reaction first, like I was saying, no matter how this will develop or which form it will take. Wait for your reaction towards the downside and then a consolidation, a correction. Okay, so in either case, wait for this correction to finish and wait for a reaction, and then you can go for your sell setups. But very important, and I'm emphasizing on that, don't try to catch the top of the trade from here. Let it go down and then focus on the next step, which would be to watch this consolidation unfold. And the third step would be to watch for a reaction towards the downside. If you don't get that, no need to force the trade. Let it break the top again. Like I was saying, this is an analysis, it's not a trade setup as yet. And first and foremost, we have to wait for the analysis to develop, the chart patterns to develop, and only then we should take into consideration the trade setups that we're waiting for. Okay, so don't over risk, wait for the price patiently to break these levels. And if something happens, we'll keep you updated. And if you guys have any other requests for any currencies or pairs that you would like us to analyze, hit the comment section below. Let us know your instruments that you would like to cover in the next videos, and of course we'll take care of that. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to trade with care, don't risk big. And if you missed out our previous weekly analysis, head over to the link in the video description, check that out. So I wish you guys a happy trading week ahead and see you on the next one.